Hello my friend, happy to see you here, and let's solve this interesting algebraic expression, let's solve this interesting algebra question. So here is our problem, we have 5 and in parentheses we're multiplying it by 4 plus 40 divided by 2. So on the first side this is very easy question and a lot of you learn division, addition and multiplication in the 3rd or 4th grade, so you can easily solve it. But what about the correct answer? Right here we have a lot of options A, B and C, so 3 options. This is a very tricky question, so you can easily pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, check your school knowledge, and it will be really interesting to check our answers here in just 1 minute, because this is very interesting and very tricky question. Of course, as you can see, if you start from division, we'll have one answer. If we start from addition, another answer, and multiplication, another answer. So a lot of combinations right here, a lot of operations, as you can see right here, division, addition, and multiplication. So a lot of operation, and of course a lot of answers. So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And for this question, I have this PMDMC order of operation. I will solve it according to PMDMC, because this is like the main popular order of operation, and I will solve it according to PMDMC. I know and I respect every order of operation, for example, BODMAS, but I will solve it according to PMDMC. Yeah, so we have like 5, and in parentheses we have 4 plus 40 divided by 2. This is a very tricky moment, because one part of students solve it like that. Take a look what they're going to do. We have 4 plus 40, 44, 44 divided by 2, we have 22, and 22 multiplied by 5, so 110. So a lot of students do this common mistake. They say, okay, 110, this is our answer. But then I ask them, what about order of operation? Because this is not like a good order of operation if you solve it like that. So let's look at this PMDMC and let's solve it according to PMDMC and check this answer. Maybe we'll have the same 110, I don't know exactly, but let's solve it according to PMDMC. Because according to PMDMC, the first step is parentheses. So we need to scan, are there any parentheses right here? So let's look at it. Yeah, we have parentheses right here. So we have right here our parentheses. So the first step is to find the exact value of this expression. So add it and divide, or divide and add it. So I just rewrite this question. So we have 4 plus 40 and divided by 2. So this is our expression in our parentheses, and we have two combinations right here: add at first, then divide, or divide first, then add. Let's go to this PMDMC and let's look, because right here we have division sign and addition sign, and let's look at it. What is before, division or addition? Right here we have exponent, multiplication, division. This is one group right here, and the last step is addition and subtraction. So as you can see, the first we need to multiply or divide, and then the second step is to add and subtract. So addition is after division, and we need to divide at first according to PMDMC. So as you can see, 40 divided by 2 equal to 20. And with this 4, we have 4 plus 20. This is a very obvious case. We have 20. We have 24. And we need to know about this 5 in the beginning, because we solve it according to PMDMC, first step parentheses, and we have 5 times 24. And I want to mention that we don't have exponents, so we just skip this part. We don't have squares, cube, fourth power, so we just skip this part. And our classic answer according to PMDMC, 5 times 24 equal to 120. But one really important moment and very interesting moment, and where the student goes wrong with this, they say, okay, 120. We don't have this 120 right here. We have 110, we have something like 5 factorial, we have 40, so it's not like 120. And then one part of students go back to this wrong answer. As I told before, they try to add at first, so 44 divided by 2, 22, and 22 times 5, and they say, oh, then option A is correct. So they go in easy way, and they solve it according to their head. They thought in their head, because they say, okay, 110 is correct. But if you look at this 5 factorial, very important and very interesting moment. If we check this 5 factorial, we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, we have like 1 times 2, we have 2, 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 4, 24, and 24 times 5 equal to 120. And this is very good, because 5 factorial, this is the same as 120 if you're talking in another way, if you express this as a number like not factorial. And this 120, this is the same 120 if you're talking about this algebraic expression according to PMDMC. So our correct answer to this question, our answer so to this test is option B. This is 120 or 5 factorial. Very interesting question, and I hope you understand this explanation, and moreover I hope your answer is the same as mine, which is really great. So I wish you all the best, and thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.